Okay, so this is the front door of the apartment. I had actually put that front door for this client in a while ago. When I had installed the door, everything worked fine, everything is good, but we are putting a laminate flooring over this existing floor, and that laminate flooring is actually that little bit of height is going to prevent the door from opening. So I had somebody cut this floor to lower it a little bit, but I think we're gonna have to cut it back probably up to there to bring it down a little bit lower, and then we're gonna put one piece of wood to level everything out so that the door, it's gonna, as you can see, it's like there's so many layers of build up here. So this is real world renovation, and the goal is that once we're done with this floor, it's all going to be continuous. So we already started over here. So you see there's no gaps in the flooring. I've got to put the trims, the baseboard molding in this room, but we kind of started already. Okay, so let me show you. So this is one room. We actually made this room bigger. It was really small. It went up to where this right here to that wall, that window was in the actual room. And so legally that was too small to be considered a room, but now we made it bigger. It could be considered a room. So technically before this was a 3-bedroom apartment. Here's another room. This one we made smaller, but it's still big enough to be considered a room. We put the flooring. We did some drywall. We didn't do anything with the ceiling here. We painted. The closet was really terrible looking, so what we ended up doing was take everything off. I'm gonna put some doors, some trims on this one. So I'm gonna show you the trimming part of the door and actually putting the door on itself. I'll be able to show you all of that. And as you can see, we kind of stop our laminate flooring until we can get it all situated. Got a whole bunch of trash here. Again, this is about a 3-week project. Mostly me doing most of the work by myself. A lot of this is trash. Okay, so that's, and now so this here would be considered the living room. So you walk in, 2 bedrooms over there, the space here would be the living room. Welcome to New York, people. Place is small. I don't know what to tell you. Okay, so then you come to the living room, and next you have the bathroom here. Let's see. So bathroom is very small. We are probably thinking about redoing this bathroom, but it's gonna cost a lot of money. So I want to get mostly further along the project, and then we'll see with the client if redoing the bathroom at this point is a good thing, because I feel like we can just clean it up and give it a little spit and shine. It's going to look brand new. We're going to reinstall that toilet. It's kind of a little bit of an angle, so we might end up taking the toilet out, getting a brand new toilet anyway. Okay, so this here is a 3rd bedroom. This is a pretty decent sized bedroom. So a guy used to live here before. But if you notice, this bedroom does not have a closet. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a closet right there, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that closet. So that's 1 bedroom. And this here is supposed to be the kitchen. We already demoed all the cabinets. I was hoping it would be a simple demo, remove the cabinets and everything would be good. But when we removed the cabinets, the wall was so bad that the wall just came apart. So I ended up taking all the wall down. I'm gonna laminate another piece of sheetrock and top it on the ceiling to make it look brand new. And this way I don't have to deal with all the trash that comes from that. I'm also gonna frame out this back wall here so I can hang my cabinets on it. I'm gonna This wall, we're gonna check to see if it's level. You can start putting sheetrock on it, but I mean, look at that stud right there. You see how crooked it is? So I'm not sure if that's that crooked because of the pipe next to it, but it is definitely very crooked. But we don't really care too much about being crooked. We care about it being level, because when you hang your cabinets, you want to hang your cabinets on a level surface. I don't know what this window here used to be. I think I might demo it and find out exactly what that used to be. If I can make it like into a secret compartment for the tenant, that'd be nice. Who knows where that goes? That might even go on to the next. See, that's so weird though. Look at that piece of wood supporting it there. That's pretty solid there. So I don't know what could be back there, but that might be also an opportunity if we renovate the bathroom, because the bathroom is on this wall here, and there might be a chance that that wall can go back a little bit more, making the tub go a little bit further from the toilet, because that's about 9 inches. See, that's about 9 inches. I feel like that 9 inches might make that bathroom more functional, and it might work the overall gut renovation, but we'll see. Yeah, so new kitchen is coming here, but I want to get started, and I have a whole bunch of stuff to do, and I feel like the best thing to do is start on this closet and show you guys how to do a closet.